ukuvula nje i-cancer awareness.
Okay.
Yeah, because abantu abaningi bayagula and uyathi ihoko iyasika kakhulu.
Yeah.
Even if ugula mara uyathi ukuthi uthi ngasukumanyana ngathi mobu yotiva ngathi
Right.
you understand? So yeah. Siyakhula la ekhaya siyakhula onke amalanga ubona new faces onke each and every walk ubona ama new faces sho ukuthi khona lokhu sekwenda kahle lo bantu bakujabulela.
Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya. This is a Lowveld Workers podcast, and of course, is your host Rebecca. I'm really podcasting live in Barberton. Of course, it is Abenta Semakonja, and I'm flagging in Little Assis at Deborah Sibonye. Lalela game, my beautiful people. Lingimlanda manje. Listen now, the front person of the team, the active lady of the team, the beautiful and pretty lady all the way from Pretoria. Marauz Tolesea Gupige, La Ekaya Lowveld Workers. So when I do not scroll those gadgets, and then I will go and get her as a stable so that we all know what is it that she loves about Lowveld Workers. Lowveld Workers till today was a in Lowveld Workers. Tune in while I go and get Sister Boho. Okay, babukeli bami njengoba sengishilo ukuthi ngiyawulanza Tebogo Sibonye nange seswami sengimtholile my beautiful people. Sithando sami unjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila dali. Ngaze ngathola after a long time. Yo Nkosi yami siphambana.
Kakhulu yathi isikhathi
asivumi. Mara uyathi bathi sibonga inkosi namuhla namakhonja ukuthi ithe nja today. Yeah, so Tebogo, please tshela abantu kancane ukuthi Tebogo ungubani ubuya kuphi futhi.
Ngiyabonga sisi wami. Mina ngitebogo Sibonye. Ngibuya ePitori Hammanskraal.
Okay.
Mara ngalana ngimsebenzi. So ngihlala eThekwani South.
All right. Again, ativela ke tithando tami ukuthi Tebogo ke ngiqhamuka ngalenza wena yase Pretoria Hammanskraal aqhamuka khona mntwana nami. So it's very busy. So yes, guys, utholakala endaweni yase Thekwani South. So Dali, ngitshele kamanzi ufike njani la ekhaya? Lowveld Workers.
Lowveld Workers. Lowveld Workers ngifike ngathi 2019 ngimemele nomunye umntwana abone ipost.
Okay.
Kuthi kune ihawk isuka kaMagugu. Mangisathi ngiyakhumbula kahle besuka kaMagugu.
Yeah.
And then siyokhuphuka sithi still pass le.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngiqale lapho. Mara first time mangiqala kuwalka leyo ngathi phinza.
Wathi undibone.
Okay, mina la ngihlala khona ngiqashile yabo.
Yeah.
So khona lo munye mmangi wami next door yami ngibita ukuthi ngimma kwami.
Okay.
And uyangathi ukuthi mina nelipilisi vele asibangani. Manilanga la khona manje ibuya kuwalk.
Yeah.
Ngigula.
Yeah.
Ngangena ngathi ukukosha ngicela amaphilisi akho onke la ugula wona. Ngathi
khipha konke.
Ngithi lalele because wow athi bothi mengibani. Boyabo. Ngithe ngeke ngisaphinza athi ngikuve. Ngimlanga uthi uyabona lapha. Ngilanga lonke. Hey, but ne after that.
Yes.
Saturday next week. My first to iphuma. Yimi bengikutshela lo sesileya ngithi apha sambeni.
Yona next week le last week.
Yeah, last week bengilele. Mara next week mara kuphuma le post. Ngathi phela endani phela sambeni samba kanjani? Asorganize ngibiloyo. Cabanga.
Emva kokulahla amaphilisi wagogoga.
Bona kwasani.
Yeah.
Ha! Yo elelo.
Yeah.
Besikhuphukela kuphela ngathi le yanamuhla.
Yeah.
Lenze angifuni ukuphinza ngibuyele lapha.
Mara lebaka today isemakhonja.
Onke emalanga awusathi isikhuluma njalo.
Angiphinzi.
Yeah, angiphinzi. Bathi mara ula.
Angihlangene.
Yeah, mara. Yeah. Ngimi wakuqala. Manje ndasambeni phela.
Wona so organizer wena lo
ukuthi asambeni. Nami ngavele ngizokhuluma ukuthi ngiyeke ngiphinze ngibone ngitemakhonja. Mara mabathi emakhonja utombona.
Number one.
Nakuya. Ngimi loyo.
Yakuba ke sithando sami futhi ngiyabona ukuthi hayi cha noma ngabe udibane nobumatima but at the same time u-enjoyile kakhulu.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Awugive up lekhaya kumnanzi kakhulu. You know uqala ungadibani la mina vele ngiqala ngingadibani babaningi.
Yeah.
Mara nyalo yo ngimdeni.
Left and right.
Bona plus mina vele ngiyakhulumela ngihleka ngalo onke umuntu ongihlangana naye ngihleka naye so ku easy kumnanzi la.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no Sithandwa ngiyabonga kakhulu guys ngiyadivela nani ukuthi yebo kona abumatima buba khona and ucomplaina uconclude ngalelo langa lelo uthi no more never shall I. Mase malanga hambile ukhumbule nalobunanzi phela. Obese ke so yalungiselela. So ungahlali man guys come and just join. So Sithandwa sami with all that being said tell me njengoba sinawe la kulo folder cause uchubeka noma ngabe siba nama highs and lows wasemgwaqweni Tebogo right now si prepare a trip yase eZimbabwe. How do you feel about lama trip wethu lamathi lesiba nawo? Would you like to be part of it and yini into lekwenda ukuthi ungaditholi ukulama trips?
Okay.
Or kulama walks?
Okay. Siswam to be honest ngiyathanda shem ukuthi nami ngibe part yama long walk trips ethu is nginga ukuthi ngimsebenzi esingikutshelile ukuthi ngisukele untangala ngidlela umsebenzi. You understand? That's why somewhere somehow ngifaila because lamalanga akhona abamathinyana kancane so yeah ngiko lokho mara beside that
ngabumbili phakathi inside
akhona kahle
hayi sizokuthandazisa
to understand ukuthi
sokuthandazisa sithole incwadi. Yeah, no, Sithandwa sami. So tell me, Tebogo, we've got different walks. Like I've got your cancer, HIV and AIDS. There are people my favorite walks that I like to call them the special walks. But where do you have a walk the special? You know, le walk le nama ngathiwa ngamane ngilove nasemsebenzini angifuni ukuyiluza or to you feel wonke ama walks ayafana.
No ngeke afane shemsisi wami because lamanye aba too special. Sinema ngoko lamaningi vele sidedicate amangoko amaningi towards my cancer awareness. Sina mo abuse
gender based
violence leyo ngithanda kakhulu ngeke ngiyathi ukuthi and normally I think it up until now maybe 60% if ngiwuya kahle ayendakala eThekwani South so obviously ngisekhaya lapho there is no way ukuthi futhi ngithi ngiyahlala normally besilapho so leyo yangijabulisa kakhulu iyafundisana and bayaphuma abantu bayaphuma ngabuningi babo because affect abantu babaningi to be honest so leyo vele number 1 then kulandzele cancer awareness because abantu abaningi bayagula and uyathi ihoko iyasita kakhulu even if ugula mara uyathi ukuthi wathi ngasukumanyana ngathi mobu yokutiva ngathi
khona ngiyakwehlile
you understand so
No,
sis.
no, nidivele dithandwa tami ukuthi of course sinawo ama-walks ahlukahlukana wonke ayafundisa but my sister kuye i-walk lemhambela phambili ngiyo-ke le which one is it again?
Gender-based violence. Yes.
Gender-based violence because ke vele la emhlabeni kuningi bantwana bayahlukunyezwa abafati bayahlukunyezwa and not only them kunamadoda nawo lahlukunyezwa yes so that is why sithi masiphumile sispreada leli gama sithi you know what stop the abusing of the children women also of the men so like kulo field work sifundisa ngako konke asishili ukuthi so nje nawusasehledi usacabanga ukuthi mara ngifuna kwena something ngakuphi this is the place for you buya la ekhaya siyafundisa siyanakekelana siyathandzana sikwenda konke ngiyabonga sithandwa sami ukuthi you attend wonke but you do have your own special walk and it's a very important one le oyithandzako kakhulu yeah no ngiyabonga dali so tell me yes sithandwa sami sukela nje i-walk iqalile usukela waqala wena kulo field workers nga 2019 yeah namhla sikubani 2025 uyibona injani lo field workers uyibona ikhulile ubona ngathi kukhona mhlambe lofisa ukuthi ngathi bangakungeta mhlambe there and there noma uyibona nje ihamba kahle le place kuyo I right kakhulu
sis siyakhula la ekhaya la ekhaya siyakhula onke amalanga ubona new faces onke each and every walk ubona ama new faces sho ukuthi khona lokhu sekwenda kahle lo bantu bakujabulelako and vele ngadudu bathi phela mina ngimsuthu
faka lesuthu ngwanami
lapha so ka Sesotho ba re nka rotloetsa batho bo botlhe to join us because into sinenda go shem ihle kakhulu and we are growing shem we are growing a lot
okay just to translate there she was saying ngathi ungatshela bonke abantu ukuthi beze bazojoina is it that yes usho njalo ke sesebona ngalendlela a happy ngayo ngazothi wonke umuntu nje angeta atojoina i-low field workers no sithandwa sami thank you for that so sesebona we've got amatafula la different like we've got Liliale bereavement how are you finding that table wena ufila njani ngalo
Surely the tafula lisida kakhulu kakhulu uyathi ngendlela lemangalisa ngoba yabona la ekhaya simdeni cobo because like if sishonelwe I'll give example ngaloko we go all out no matter where how njani asibuyi ukuthi bani unani ini no so la ekhaya shem yes ngiyayisaluda iLofield Workers especially le desk lasebenzela online lasebenzela kakhulu ngiyabonga
so happy kakhulu
you
wouldn't want ukuthi likhishwe nakancane
lelo khona Mambani sisadli lama banana
what I nathini manje sibuya ke dali sibe nale lelinye ke the wholesomeness Tuesday litafula laphayana uthini ngalo have you started using lama meal plans wabo have you started exercising how are you finding that table
it's good Shem it's very good because isifundisa ukuthi sifanele ukuthi sidle njani just got to my size 26 or 28 do you get
yes now
so and also the exercising basume each and every Tuesday mind mistake bayasithumela i-meal plan ukuthi sifanele ukuthi sidle njani and even if somewhere sifela sithinyana nge-left but we know for the fact ukuthi kufanele ukuthi udle ini and u-exercise njani ukuthi uzohlala u-healthy and u-right
yes she's happy I'm happy
we are happy
so tell me secisha sengobude konke le ngifisa ukuthi ngikubude kona and I believe bantu sebeyamati ukuthi Tebogo ungubani wakabani and Tebogo ungumuntu lenjani because abanye abakuboni kahle but now njengoba sithi la now they know ukuthi use-steps ateza kanje yini into lengafisa ukuthi uyitshele bantu mhlawumbe lesingakakhulumi ngayo abasemakhaya.
Ini mara ngicabanga ukuthi sikhulumile kakonke except ukuthi buyani guys le khaya kumnanzi namhlanje sidla namhlanje sibonga mphathi wethu usiphethe kahle so we were eating today lana asivukele only banana asivele masibuke ekseni sivukela banana no watermelon namhlanje kunele plate so ngenye nele cake yey lokumnanzi la uyani to straight
asidlali la no, my beautiful people, you know what? You guys are missing out, and indeed, you are missing out. Yes, namuhla again, bekungilo usuku lelikhulu la sibonga khona mphathi of course, seeing that we birthday month yakhe. Bese mbonga phela kakhulu semashaba sisho ukuthi baba siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usiphethe kahle awusikhethi sisonke nje usibophe ngebhandi elilodwa sibantwana bakho siyakubonga kakhulu. Siyabonga ke shem lalokudla lokumnanzi nelkhekhe siyabonga kakhulu si happy Tebogo njengoba nje na uzowavuma ne podcast ngenyama but my beautiful people mina na Tebogo ngicela ukuthi siyibeke la seeing that efune sethubeka phela siye ku after party yethu sethubeka si celebrate but ke sengithole konke lebengifuna ukwathi ku Tebogo na believe ukuthi manje nawe lobonga amati na udumana nayo endleleni so yamati ke seswethu Tebogo. She is a Lawfield Workers member remember lelifull leliphelele lelithembekile a proud one futhi njengoba gcalisela lapha but ke kimi nase Tebogo ngoba kwangazi ukuthi sizokhuluma singacithi thina sithi #Don'tPromise commit
bathi ngime chips angithi ngindisa
mina ngila
yeah
sila
yeah commit
#more than just a walking team. That says Lawfield Workers Podcast. And of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mjeli, signing out. Of course, I will be seeing you guys at Amara this coming Saturday. It is a remembrance walk of our late brother, Bernard Tanyaraja Muninera. Of course, we have cried, we have mourned. It is time now to share good memories that we have created while he was still with us. Now, don't be late. Girl to 6, the aerobics is starting. 6 o'clock, the walk is starting. Don't promise, commit. See you soon.